welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a super easy and simple recipe that is perfect for toddlers. We're going to bake chicken, carrot and coconut burgers. The carrot and the coconut cream will give a delicate, lightly sweet taste to our burgers, but most of all, they will keep our burgers very soft and moist. Super simple and super easy recipe, ready in less than half an hour. First thing to do, we're going to finely grate our carrots, and then we're going to grate our onion and also the garlic all in once. We're going to take a nice big bowl. We're going to add the ground chicken, and you can easily use ground turkey, it works too. And we're going to add the carrot, onion and garlic mix. Also, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of coconut cream. We're going to mix everything together. In a small cup, I added a few tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm going to grease my hands with the coconut oil. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of chicken mix, and I'm going to form nice patties with my hands. And the coconut oil helps because I'm going to grease the patties on top, and at the same time, they will not stick to my hands. I'm going to place my patties one next to the other, and you can create the size that you think is better for your kids. I create like small medium-sized patties. The oven is already preheated at 400 degrees, and I'm going to bake my chicken, carrot and coconut patties for 25 minutes. And you can always add 1 extra minute in broil mode if you want to have a kind of golden surface. This is a super light and healthy recipe that you can prepare for your kids and serve all together with some cooked brown rice. It's a super healthy and nutritious meal. I really hope you're going to enjoy this recipe, and we're going to see each other next week with another recipe from BuonaPappa. And as always, buona pappa a tutti! Ciao!